All up, guys, it's a boy as facts. Okay, so I know you guys must have been waiting for another video. It's been a while. I've dropped another gem, another banger, but in today's video I'll be dropping a banger on a trade. I took a trade this morning actually, so I'll be dropping I'll show you guys how I took the trade, the analysis, how I got the analysis of the trade, my entry model. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is my analysis model, my entry model, my take profit model, my stop loss model, how I took the trade generally. So I'm gonna be showing you guys right now. Okay, so with no further ado, let's get started, guys. Okay, so the first thing to do is to click on my trading view. All right, and guys, don't forget subscribe on this channel. I know you guys are really loving this, all the video that I've been dropping for you guys so far. Okay, so subscribe. All right, boom. I think the network is not in our favor today, but cool man. As you can see, the trade is going in is selling massively in profit, but I don't care about that now. I don't care. If we lose, fine. If we win, fine. That's a game. That's the thing about trading. And in today's video also, I'm gonna be discussing with you guys about emotion, about trading psychology. All right, so but before that, I just want to show you my analysis model, my trading analysis model generally, how I took this trade generally. Okay, so basically, as you all know, guys, that I always start from my higher time frame. All right, I always start from higher time frame, as you guys know. All right, so basically checking this daily time frame here and push this up here. I think, yeah, that's nice. So basically checking this higher time frame, basically I start from the daily time frame. So checking this higher time frame now, so the first thing to do, like I always tell you guys, is to take note of the market structure, that is the trend or the direction of the market. That's the first thing that you need to know. Okay, that is, you want to know about the direction, the overall movement of the market, where the market is going. Is the market going up, is the market coming down, or is the market going sideways? That's the first thing you need to know. It's either you are a scalper, or you are a day trader, or you are an intraday trader, or a swing, or a position trader, or a long-term trader. So anyone you be, so the first thing to know what to do is to know the direction or the trend of the market. That's the first thing you need to know. Fine. So basically, from this daily time frame, checking the direction of the market, you would have known that these markets. But before that, let's start from here. So you know that this here is our lower high that I'm showing you currently. So it gives us what? A lower low here. So after that, it gives us what? A lower high here. After that, it gives us what? A new lower low. And like I always tell you, that if the market is giving you what? A series of lower high and lower low, that's what? A bearish movement, a momentum. Am I right? So after that, if that price or the trend of the market changes, breaks above the previous lower high, what does that mean? It means that it has changes from what? From being bearish towards to bullish, right? And you know that what's our previous lower high? It is here that I'm showing you currently. Is our previous what? Is our previous lower high. So giving us what? A new lower low here. So what does the market did? The market retested what? The previous lower high. It has not broken above. So what happened next? It breaks above with this what? With this bullish candlestick here. So it breaks above it, meaning that what? It has changes from what? From being what? A bearish to bullish. So it has given us what? An higher high here that I'm showing you currently here, an higher high. So anytime we have an higher high, like I always tell you guys, it means that we must have what? An higher low. It is higher high that produces what? An higher low, right? Where is the higher low? This is the higher low that I'm showing you currently. this higher low give us what? It give us this higher high, right? So market come down, it give us what? An equal low right here. So what now happen? It pushes up, it give us what? Higher high here. This is the new higher high that I'm showing you currently. So where's the higher low? This is the higher low. This is the low that give us this what? This high. So what happened? It come back here, it give us what? Higher low, pushes up, higher high. It give us what? Higher low, pushes up, higher high. It give us what? Higher low, here, pushes up back, higher high. So what now happened? It has been what? It has been bullish for a while, right? So what happened? The market did what? The market break below. Here it give us what? A lower low here. Why is it a lower low? Because it has breaking below this what? An higher low. So giving us what? Returning back to what? To being bearish. So where's the lower high? This is the lower high that I'm showing you currently, is the one that produces what? This lower low. I hope you are getting right. So after that, it gives us what? A new lower high here. After that, it gives us what? A new lower low. So that's the previous lower high, right? The market did what? The market pushes up. It gives us what? Higher high, which means what? This is the higher low here. Am I right? So after that, the market did what? The market pushes down aggressively here that I'm showing you currently, breaking below this higher low here, returning back to what? To being bearish. So the market is now retesting what? This key level that I marked from the daily time frame here. Okay, so it's retesting this key level that I'm showing you currently here. So the market is retesting this key level, these key levels here. I'm sorry. So the market is retesting this key level here, so giving us a lower high, a lower low, a lower high here. Okay, so what now happened? So when the market is retesting this key level, so the best thing for us to do is what? Is to scale down to our lower time frame. What's the next lower time frame? My 4 hour. So we need to scale down to our 4 hour time frame. And I hope you guys are getting this. So scale down to our lower time frame. So when scaling down to our lower time frame, so let's check our lower time frame here now. So the market has been giving us a series of what? Bearish lower high here. It gives us what? A new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low here. What now happen? The market pushes up like aggressively. It gives us what? Higher high here. Where is the higher low? This is the higher low here. So when it gives us this higher high, what's now happen? It produces what? Another higher low here. It pushes up, higher high, higher low. It pushes up, higher high, higher low. But you know that the daily time frame is bearish. Like I always tell you guys that as a trader, as a good trader, what you need to do is what? Let your lower time frames to be in sync with your higher time frame. So as a trader, you need to what? Move along with the trend of the market. Do you understand? You need to move along with the trend. So basically what I'm actually doing now was I'm looking for an opportunity to do what? To sell. That's what I'm looking out for. An opportunity to do what? An opportunity to sell. Alright. So basically, since it gave us what? Higher low here. So what does the market did? Equal high here. So the market now break below it, showing that what? This lower high here, this is what? A new lower low. So that's why I created what? This minor support level here. Okay, so what I'm actually waiting for is what? Is for this market to what? To break below this key support level. I mean this minor support level here. So what does the market do? The market break below it. It's giving me a lower low here that I'm showing you currently. So where is the lower high? This is the lower high. So I was now waiting for the market to retest this key level. What does the market did? On this 4 hour, the market retested the key level here. But I didn't want to take my entry from this 4 hour time frame. So what I did was I scaled down to my 15-minute time frame. So basically I scale down to my 15 minute time frame to get my entry. No, I scale down to my 5 minutes rather. I'm sorry. So I scale down to 5 minute time frame to get my entry. Okay, so basically, so when the market retested this level on this my 5 minutes, can you see when it retested it? As you always know that I always look for a bearish engulfing, which is my entry. So can you see this is the bearish engulfing candlestick here? So I took the trade from there. So as you guys know that I'm a kind of trader that my trading system is very, very simple. Very, very simple. So what I always follow is that the first thing you need to do is what? Check the overall trend of the market. That what's the market saying? So is it going bearish or is it going bullish? So let's say it's going bearish, all right? So the next thing you need to do is what? Scale down to your 4-hour time frame. Check the direction of the 4-hour. Check it out that okay, is my 4-hour, does my 4-hour align with my with my hour time frame, which is my daily time frame? Let's say the 4-hour also is bearish. Fine. So it means that both your daily and your 4-hour time frame, both time frames are in they are in sync. So the next thing to do is what? Go down to your 30 minutes or your 15 minute time frame. It's either or your 5 minutes as the lowest time frame. Check it out to get your entry signal. So that's all. And as you all know that my entry signal is always a bearish engulfing candlestick. As you can see, this is giving me a sharp bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing meaning that it's going to engulf at least 3 candlesticks. Can you see? This is the first candlestick, 2, 3 that I'm showing you. So this bullish candlestick, it retested perfectly, and it also engulfed the 3 previous candlestick, which is an engulfing candlestick, which is pretty cool, right? So the other thing that I said I'm going to do in this video is to discuss with you about trading psychology. I think in my next video I'm gonna be doing that. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so as to be receiving more gem on this video. Okay, all right, peace out.